What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B. Hey man, we got a great video coming towards you right now. You see the hat I got on? You see the shirt I got on? Hey, we got a giveaway going on right now, and we'll get to it right after this. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B. Like I told you, man, we got a giveaway going on today from my good people Ultracool. I want to thank JJ from Ultracool for making this happen. I really appreciate you, bro. Hey, y'all, today we got some stuff we giving away, and we're giving out a discount code today. So on the day, y'all, man, you know your boy rocking the Ultracool on the bike. Y'all already know Khrome got it on the bike, and I'm loving it. I got this. The Flo Oil Filter as well on there. You know, that come with the Ultracool kit. If you get the, you got to order that separate from the Ultracool. So yeah, but yeah, today we're gonna give away one. JJ sent one over, and what's so good about that? He sent one over. He sent me the black contrast cut, but he told me whoever win this, if you got Khrome, you can get the Khrome. If you want Khrome, you want black, you can get the black. If you want the contrast cut, like I got on my bike and like the one I have here, you can get that one, and we're gonna ship it out to you. JJ told me just give him the information and we're gonna ship that baby. But let me show you what I got, man. Let me tell you how you can win this. Let me tell you how you can win this first. You got to like the comment. You gotta be subscribed first. Like, share, comment to the video. That's all you gotta do. You gotta be subscribed, like the video, comment on the video, and share the video. That's gonna enter you to win. So I noticed on some of my subscribers, y'all don't have y'all name, or y'all don't have a YouTube name. So you gotta give me some kind of name there. So when we pick the winner, we're gonna do just like we did when I did my helmet giveaway. We're gonna put you on the spin wheel. And we're gonna do that, and we're probably gonna give this away. Hopefully next Friday we'll be doing a giveaway on this right here. I'm gonna show you what we're giving away that JJ sent over to me. You will be getting the hat. You can see that. And you'll be getting this shirt right here. Check out the shirt, y'all. Look at the back of the shirt. We're gonna be representing Ultracool, y'all. Ultracool. And this is the Flo Oil Filter. If you've never seen the Flo Oil Filter, this is it. It keeps your bike 10 degrees cooler. This is it right here. And it comes with extra gaskets right here. It comes with a gasket already in here. Y'all, you'll never have to buy another oil filter. And like I say, this keeps it 10 degrees cooler. And it have the instructions in here and everything. Let me show you. All you gotta do, twist this out, just like that. Take you some carburetor cleaner or something like that and clean this. It's kind of like a stainless steel, aluminum like, but it's got a magnet here. It's gonna pick up all the trash out your oil and out the motor. So yeah, and it comes with a spring at the bottom. All you gotta do is put that spring in there just like this. Put it in there, line it up, twist it, and it's back in. That's all you got to do. And it tells you everything. Like I said, the instructions is in the box, but we are doing a great giveaway. And man, I'm grateful for this opportunity that JJ presented me with and said, hey man, hey, we talked, and I really appreciate him. And I appreciate you all, man. So make sure you like the video. Make sure you be subscribed, like the video, comment on the video. And that's gonna be your entry to win this this package deal right here. And I will be shipping this out to you soon as the winner get chosen. But yeah, and the discount code I got for you, and you just go to Ultracool website, and you get 10% off of your sale. Whatever you buy off your purchase, I'm sorry, you get 10% off your purchase. Whatever you buy, 10%. Capital K ELLY capital B, all together, no space nowhere. Kelly B, that's the discount code you got. It's give you 10% off if you decide to go ahead and get your Ultracool fan or you decide to go ahead and get your Flo Oil Filter or whatever else they have on the website, you can purchase, man, and get you 10% off with that code Kelly B. Man, I'm grateful, man, for Ultracool and you all for just subscribing and following your boy. Hey, we got more stuff coming on the channel. Like I told you, hey, we growing, and I'm growing because of you all, man. Y'all commenting on the video. I really appreciate the comments and the subscriber count, man. I really appreciate everybody. But man, that's gonna be it for today. But yeah, y'all, make sure you enter. Make sure you comment on this video. Overflow this baby with comments, all right? Y'all make sure y'all do that. And let's make this video go viral right here. But you will be getting this beautiful contrast cut oil filter. Like I say, you'll never have to buy another one at all. And like I say, this boy keeps your bike 10 degrees cooler. It's been tested. The Harley Davidson race team run this. So, hey, it's proven fact. It's even proven with me down in Daytona, stuck in traffic with my Ultracool fan and my Flo Oil Filter on the bike, keeping the bike 60 degrees cooler. And it was hot in Daytona in those lines waiting to get into the event. So yeah, that's gonna be it, y'all. And I really appreciate y'all. But man, till next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed week. I'm out. Peace. We rolling, man.